Hello, my name is John Holland. I'm the lead developer on the Facebook chatbot tokenization proof of concept. I've been involved in the technology space for decades. I have a software engineering degree from Georgia Tech. The exciting thing about this project is we're kind of at the crossroads of interactive technology with chatbots and the blockchain. Thank you, OST Kit. This is John. I'm going to show you some actual transactions using our chatbot here on the left, and making actual transactions where every time someone wins a point, they get a token awarded to them with the Vint branded token. They'll show up here on the user console, and then we can also see them actually in OST view, where we'll see the actual transactions here, and we'll see this, which is their score, will also be reflected back in the chatbot. So let's get started. What we're going to go do is first fire up our Node.js middleware in the middle here. We're going to monitor its progress by looking at a file here, so you can see as we do wins on the left hand side. So there, we just started up. It sees your Facebook name, it takes your Facebook ID, uses a create user on the OST Kit Alpha, gets back an OST ID, which is this here, and we can actually see this over on the Vint users. You can see the user name is the same as this one here, and their score is the same as what's here. So we've retrieved that from the blockchain, and then you can even dig into the OST interface and see the actual username. The OST ID, which matches there, so you can see that this is all connected. So what happens here in the on the left, as the customer plays the game, it's just a simple coin toss. They call tails, nothing happens. Call tails again, and then you can see in the middle we immediately had a transaction here. This was the awarding of a token, and we'll do a couple more. I call tails again. There we go. Okay, so another token. So now we see another reward, and over here I can actually type score, and you'll see we queried the user's score. Here's the result back. 163 Vint tokens. If we come over here and refresh, they were 161 when we started. If we refresh the Vint OST Kit dashboard, you'll see it's also 163. If we come down here to OST view, and I've already got the address of this user, we can refresh this, and total tokens 161. Well, that's not, there we go. That's a much better demo.
I'm Chris Campbell, team leader for the Facebook Messenger chatbot integration proof of concept. Simple Token came on my radar in late fall of 2017 when I was looking at blockchain solutions for my business. While I was searching, Simple Token jumped out as one of the only blockchain projects that appeared to have any real potential to help me. I researched Simple Token thoroughly, and I was lucky enough to participate in the ICO in the fall of 2017. Now, I intend on using my Simple Token holdings to continue to build a tokenized economy within my industry. For our proof of concept, though, our team felt that introducing the OST Kit and the API to the huge community of Facebook Messenger app creators was a massive opportunity. Integrating OST Kit and branded tokens into a Messenger app would help hold the user's attention and potentially help the creators monetize their chatbot user activity. Now, our proof of concept proposed that the Open Simple Token API using the OST Kit could easily interact with the Facebook Messenger platform. We're excited to have successfully integrated the OST API through our own branded token that we call Vint, V-I-N-T. And with our Facebook Messenger chatbot coin toss game, we can now reward our players with Vint when they correctly guess a coin toss. Now, our testing has generated thousands of transactions which are recorded to OST view. While building the POC, though, it's become more evident that the leverage and opportunity OST Kit offers companies and developers is enormous. We're really looking forward to the next chapter in our trip along the way with OST Kit and the OST team. Thanks, OST.